It is windy as all get out today on the mountain. Just crazy, crazy windy. Sounds like I'm at the ocean. Sounds like the beach. Surf crashing up on the shore. It reminds me of Florida. Hopefully this will knock most of the acorns out of the tree. I was jumping out of my skin last night trying to finish up this guy's mod in the shop. It's like pistol shots going off randomly in my head as they hit the steel roof of the shop. Unfortunately, the wind is not strong enough to blow away the hundreds of bazillions of stink bugs that are everywhere. We can't get rid of them. I just ordered some super heavy-duty residual pesticide that's safe for kids, and from AskTheExterminator.com. The guy was cool. He was online. I asked him some questions. I hope the crap works, man. I'm going to spray it all over the front of my house. It is insane trying to get in the doors around here. Fucking bugs are driving me wild. I am going to invent a stink bug trap and become a millionaire. Figure out what is irresistible to a stink bug. I'm going to have to breed extremely attractive pheromone-producing females. Lure them to their death. The smell of stink bug taint. Oh man, stink bugs, acorns. It's always something in it. Love that wind. It is just blowing like crazy.